first time not wearing my hat, and my friend wants to tell you about the gun. He actually told you about the MP5. You all know him. 1 second. Oh yeah, he wants to tell you about a little safety tip, and then a little facts about it. Have fun learning.
Okay, this is not an airsoft gun. There's this brown little pump that gives it air. As you can see, my friends in the background. It pumps air, which makes it shoot faster, and if you could pump it over like 1,000 times really strongly, then obviously it's gonna be like really fast. And
Dude,
but
why do you have this bowl up here that has Winnie the Pooh?
because that's my sneak bowl.
What are you sneaking it?
What do I sneak it? I sneak it downstairs.
To do what?
So that we can clean it. Okay. Wait, what was I? Oh yeah. This right here. There's something like right about like here. It goes up and down, and when you take it down, it will be like you could put BBs in it, and then there's this button on top. You just push it to get like BBs in there, and then how noisy it is. Wait a second. There's gonna be something right here. You push it back, then you push it forward. That's my that's my brother's bed. So you push it back and forth to get it to shoot, and this is how noisy it is. It's pretty noisy if you cock it, pretty much. And here's the review of the 760 something like Pump Master. 760 Pump Master. So
It's called attacking.
and well, I guess I don't know where you buy it, because this is my dad's friend's rifle. So if you do find it in stores and you buy it, hope you have a great time with it. Thank you.